In this exercise, we are going to learn how to build a quadrilateral when you are given three sides, that is 3, 4 and 5 centimeter respectively, and two diagonals, that is 6 and 7 centimeter. Okay. So at this moment, what we do is begin with a ruler and draw your very first line segment. So let's say I pick the line segment 3 centimeter to be drawn as the base of this quadrilateral. Okay. So let's label this. Say this is my line segment AB, 3 centimeter long. So next what we are constructing is the second segment or the second side of this quadrilateral by using a ruler and a compass. We open up the compass 4 centimeter long and we notice that the metal end is also positioned at 0. So this is precisely 4 centimeter long radius of this compass, correct? So let's draw an arc such that we have a general idea where could be my second side of this quadrilateral. And now think about this, that you have a very general idea where will be your second side of this quadrilateral. But to be able to draw this quadrilateral, you need a precise location of the vertex, right? And you can have the precise location of the vertex if you know either the angle that will come out of this point A, or if you know the diagonal that will come out of point B, right? And since I am given the length of those two diagonals, right, I can use my compass to obtain my diagonal. Okay, so one of the diagonal is 6 centimeter long, right? So I will open up this up to 6 centimeter long and then position this compass at the point B, because that is where I could have one diagonal going from B and connecting it somewhere here. All right, you follow me? In this case, I bring the pencil end somewhere closer and then draw an arc. All right, now what you have really obtained is you have obtained a vertex of this quadrilateral. Let's say this is vertex C. And this is as a result of the intersection of two arcs. One came from the point A, that was the side of the quadrilateral, and second came from point B, that was the diagonal from B connecting this vertex C. Okay, so let's connect this and have an idea of where is my second line segment or the second side. Okay, so this is your second side of this quadrilateral, which is 4 centimeter long. And of course, you know that when you connect the point C with point B like this, you are really obtaining your diagonal that was 6 centimeter in length, correct? And now you are left with the remaining two dimensions. One of those is the third side of this quadrilateral, and that is 5 centimeter long, right? So let's open it up to 5 centimeter long, lock it, and this line segment will have to be coming from the point B. Now at this moment, I do not know where will be my precise location of the vertex. All I can do is create an arc that will tell me a general idea where will be the range of this vertex, right? So let's draw an arc and we will obtain our vertex by constructing a diagonal. That diagonal will come from A, and you know that the remaining diagonal that you have is 7 centimeter long. That is the other diagonal, right? So we open the compass 7 centimeter long, and this diagonal will of course come from the location A, because we already have used the point B for one of the diagonals, correct? Other diagonal can be constructed from point A, right? So you have it 7 centimeter long. Let's bring the compass somewhere closer to the arc 1 that we had and draw another arc, and that will give you a precise location of your fourth vertex, which is the vertex D, right? Same logic, we had two arcs. One was as a distance from the point B as the side of this quadrilateral, and the another arc was from point A as a diagonal from point A all the way up to this point, correct? Now let's connect this point as well from point B, and that will be your third line segment, right? And since you already have these two vertices, you can also connect the point C with point D to obtain your final shape. Okay, so this is your quadrilateral, and now let's put all the labels. The line segment BD is 5 centimeter long, and then you have another diagonal, the diagonal connecting from point A all the way to point D, right? So this is your 7 centimeter long diagonal, right? So you covered all the 5 dimensions, 3 sides, and you have your 2 diagonals, right? This is how you can construct a quadrilateral when you're given 3 sides and 2 diagonals. Okay, Now let us look at our next video in which we are going to construct a quadrilateral with a different combination of the sides and the angles or the diagonals.